Okay, we're going to look at some more bearings and vectors. So we've got a ship traveling 23 knots heading on a course 124 degrees across a current of 4 knots in the direction south 43 degrees west. Find the actual speed and direction of the ship. So let's have a look. Let's draw our bearings. There's north, south, east. So we're going 124 degrees at 23 knots. 124, so there's our 90 there. So 124 degrees would be out here. That's 23 knots. So that means here, this angle in there, will be 34 degrees. 34 degrees. Because it's 90 plus 34 is 124. Now we'll draw another set of bearings up here. Now, that's north. Our next one, now we have the crosswind, the current, at 4 knots coming from a going in the direction south 43 degrees west. So there's south, so it's going to be 43 degrees to the west. So there's 4 knots. Now, that angle that in there is going to be 43 degrees. Now, if this angle here is 34, well, that angle there has to be 34 as well, because of alternate angles, because they're parallel lines. This is going to be 47. So that means the whole total angle in there is 81 degrees. Now, we have this vector here is our resulting vector. So that is the actual speed and direction we're going to be bearing. We're going to find. So we're going to find theta there. So we have A, B, C. So looking at this, we're going to be using the sine rule and the cosine rule. So let's have a look at what we have. We've got A, B, C, A, B, C, just to get an idea of where we need to start. A is theta. B is 81 degrees. C we don't know. Little a is 4. Little b we don't know. That's here. That's the actual speed of the ship. And C is 23 knots. So looking at that information, we can see that we are going to be using the cosine rule. So we have b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos b. Put our information in. So that's 4 squared plus 23 squared minus 2 times 4 times 23 cos 81 equals 545. Take 28.78 equals 516.21. That's b squared. So b is going to be the square root of that, which equals 22.72 knots. So that's the actual speed of the ship. Okay, 22.72. Now, that information, we can now go on to find the bearing that it's on. We can go find theta. Now, that's using the sine rule. So that's sine A over A equals sine B over B. So, using that, sine theta over A, which is 4, equals sine 81 over 22.72. So sine theta equals 0.043. It's much easier if you solve the sine 81 divided by 22.72, and then it makes it easier when it comes to putting your calculator. So that's over 4. I better not forget the over 4. So sine theta equals, take the 4 over to the other side, so equals 4 times 0.043. So theta equals sine inverse of 4 times 0.043. So therefore, theta equals 10.01 degrees. Now that's the value of theta over here. So that's 10.01 degrees. But that's not the bearing. The bearing, we obviously have to have, the bearing was 124 degrees, but that theta is an extra 10.01 degrees. So the ship's actual speed would be 22.72 knots. 72 knots on a bearing of 134 degrees. Okay, so you got to make sure that you look at your sine, use your sine rule and cosine rule to help you, because then the final answer is the 22.72 knots on a bearing of 134 degrees.